Hey up and welcome to Gardening with Ben. It's been a while since we've been at the plot. We've not been very well, had a bad chest infection, and yeah, we've been taking it easy and having a rest. But we're back down at the plot today, gonna take it easy, we're not gonna do too much, but we're gonna start building a new fruit cage type. Supports for all my loganberries, for my grapevines. So that is our plan today, so let's have a look at what we're doing. So this is where I grow all my blackberry canes, all my loganberries, all my grapevines down this side of the plot. And as you can see, we've got them fastened up, not brilliantly, but we're going to be improving this over the next weekend. So yeah, we've got a busy job on, not too strenuous, it's not too hard, not too difficult, but we're going to crack on and get this area looking a lot better and more manageable as part of our allotment revamp. So yeah, let's crack on. So we have purchased 8 arches for our allotment from Denny, and yeah, we're going to use those to grow our grapevines over and our loganberries, and hopefully they'll be a lot more supported and easier to tie up and keep controlled. So we've got to put all these 8 arches together and hopefully get them all in place this weekend. So let's get them put together. So we've put together 4 of the frames, so we've just got the last 4 to put together now. I'm becoming an expert at putting these arches together now. They don't take long, they only take about 10-15 minutes to put together. But yeah, let's get the other 4 done. And there we have it, all 8 arches built. Finally, that's that job done. And as you can hear, it's absolutely chucking it down tomorrow today. So hopefully we'll be back tomorrow to start putting them up and putting them in place of the new area. So yeah, fingers crossed that the weather's decent and we can get lots done tomorrow down at the plot, so make sure you stay tuned. Hey up everybody, it's day 2 of the transformation, putting the arches up down at the allotment. So it's a bit colder today, but it's not raining, which is good, so we can get out and put them up. Well, start putting them up and see how many we can do today. So yeah, let's see what the plan is. So these are the 8 arches, what we need to put up. These are all going outside today. So let's see where we're putting them. So we're going to be putting them all around this area here and stabilising all the fruit what's growing around this area and hopefully get it all sorted. So yeah, let's get cracking and let's get them out here. So we've got the arches up and they're all in place now and they look great. We've fastened all the fruit to them. So yeah, let's have a look and see what they look like. So yeah, we've got them up. We've got those blackberries tied up over the top of them. And yeah, they're looking good. I'm happy with it. It's easier to get round now. So I've fastened as loganberries as well over the top of them. So they're travelling all along the top. And I can get to my strawberries a lot easier now that they're all over. We've also tied as grapevine up over it, so the grapes will hopefully dangle down. And yeah, we've got more loganberries growing in this corner here, and hopefully then we'll get something growing over these ones here. But yeah, we've taken out the old stakes and the wires what they were growing up, but I'm happy with how well they've turned out. So hopefully the fruit will be a lot more secure and a lot easier to handle next year on these arches. Not a big job, but I'm happy with the outcome. It's all turned out pretty well in the end. So thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.